Assalamu alaikum dear students. I welcome you to the grade 8 e-learning lesson number 2 week 7. This is your mathematics class. We will continue our topic square roots and we will solve exercise 2C in the next video.
Students, in question number 3, we have to find the square root of 5, 6 and 7 up to 4 decimal places. Here we find the square root of 5 and the remaining two parts, square root of 6 and 7, and you can easily find by using the same method. So let's start. We have the square root of 5. We write 5 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pairs of zeros over here. So let's start. 2 into 2 we get 4, and then on subtraction we get 1, the next pair 0 0 we get 100. 2 plus 2 4, and then when we multiply this with 2 we get 84. So again we have 16, 42 plus 2 44. When we multiply with this we get this, and then we continue the process, and now you know how can we proceed this. Ultimately we will get this number 2.23606. Now we have to round it off to the 4 decimal places, so we get 2.2361, which is the answer. In question number 4, we have to find the square root of this and then use it to find these 3 square roots. So first we start from here. We take 2601 from here and then find the square root of this. We have 2 pairs. 5 into 5, 25, we get 1, and then 0, 1, 5 plus 1, 5 plus 5, we have 10, and then we put 1 over here, we get the same number. 51 is the square root of 2601. So we deduct from here that if we have the square root of this, we get, as we know that we have 2 zeros over here, so we get 0.051 as the square root of this. So in part A, 2601, which is equal to 51, we have already evaluated. In part B, we have 26.01. So we have 5.1 for the square root of this. Here we have 4 zeros, so we get 0.0051. In question number 5, we have to find the number of digits in the square root of these numbers. So first of all, we see the formula for this. We have the formula: if a square has n digits, then the number of digits in its square root is n by 2 if n is even, and if n is odd, then the formula is the number of digits in its square root is n plus 1 by 2. So let's see. In part A, we have the number. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 digits in it. So how many number of digits in its square root? We use this formula because it is odd. So 5 plus 1 by 2. So n is 5 over here. So it is 6 by 2 equal to 3 digits. Similar is the case over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 digits. 5 plus 1 by 2. We get 3 digits. Over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 is even, so we use this formula, n by 2, so 8 by 2, 4 digits. Similar is the case over here. We have 8 digits, so 8 by 2 is equal to 4 digits. In question number 6, we are given that soldiers are standing in the square position. So we have to find the number of rows in that square. So how can we find? We have to find the square root of 2500. So we see that 2500 is equal to 50 into 50. So we have the square root 50. That will be the answer. So 50 rows. Dear students, in question number 7, we are given that a general drew up 69194 soldiers in a square shape, and then we saw that 25 soldiers are left. Question is this: how many soldiers are in one row, in each row? So how can we find? We find the square root of this. So let's start. We have the pairs, and then we get 6. 2 into 2, 4, 2, 2 plus 2, 4, and then when we multiply this with 46, we get 276, again 15, 94, and then we are left with 25. According to the question given, that we are left with 25 soldiers. So what is the number in square? 263. So the number of men are 263 in each row, which is the answer of this question. In question number 8, we have to find the perimeter of a square whose area is given to be 1024 meter square. So we have to find the perimeter. So for perimeter, we have to find the one side of that square. For that, we take the square root of 1024. So we get 32 as the square root of this. It's very simple. So side of a square is 32 meter, and we know that in a perimeter we have 4 times the side of a square. So we have perimeter is equal to 4 into side. So 32 into 4 is equal to 128 meters, which is the answer. Thank you.